Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Equasha Smith-Gooch. I am the director for CIVIC Nebraska's Lothrop After School program. Through CIVIC Nebraska, we create a modern and robust democracy for all Nebraskans. I am here today to talk about creating a healthy garden for healthy tips for living. When we say modern, we mean for the present time. So currently, we know we are going through a pandemic, and this pandemic is about safety and cleanliness and eating. We need to eat safe and cleanly. When we talk about robust, we mean strong and healthy. So my thought about CIVIC Nebraska, modern, robust, strong, and healthy would be to talk about doing a garden for healthy living for our families. We digest the green better than we do the meat. So green is very important. So the safety is important when you do your garden. First, you want to make sure you protect yourself, as if you need to wear goggles, the gloves. You need to wear the appropriate clothing to protect your arms and your legs. You should wear pants and long sleeves. Know your limits in the heat as well. So make sure you're wearing stuff that is cool and at the same time to protect you. I prefer not to wear the gloves because I like to feel the dirt be in the dirt. But at a time like this, since we're talking about safety, I've been wearing my gloves when I've been gardening. So just always dress to protect, put safety first, know your limits in the heat. If you have any disabilities or physical limitations, make sure you talk with your doctor before you start going out in the heat to be gardening, because it's something you'll have to keep up and be out there daily. It's good for physical activity. Everyone knows that gardening is great for you to be outdoors, for the physical activity, to enjoy the community, to see how things grow. The best thing is about the nutritions and the fruits and vegetables that you'll be eating and growing with your family. I have planted, this would be sweet banana pepper. So it was probably like $1 something. The pot was only $1, real cheap. This is romaine lettuce that I planted inside of a salt container that I was throwing away after I was done with the salt. The romaine lettuce has been in here for going on 3 weeks, and I'm going to take it out and put it in something bigger, but I cannot wait to eat this romaine lettuce. I also planted a cabbage. Again, very cheap. This probably was $1. This pot was $1. And then I have started some tomatoes. It hasn't started growing because I just put the soil in here. Again, a pot of some coffee that I finished at home. Very cheap to do. You don't have to go out and buy a lot of things. So next week, what I'll start doing is I will start doing hands-on gardening. I have seeds and stuff. We're also going to do a garden bed in my backyard for the community. For the kids, we'll find a way to get it to the pantries, to our families, to start about healthy eating. Fruits and vegetables are the best thing going right now. I see that meat factories are getting closed, shut down because of coronavirus. I love meat, but I'm about to change my life and start eating more vegetables and fruits. Again, my name is Equasha Smith. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week for some hands-on gardening.